After nearly 25 years of marriage, Kit Hoover, the star of Access Hollywood, has filed for divorce from her spouse, Crowley Sullivan. Kit Hoover, co-anchor of Access Hollywood, has filed for divorce from her spouse of 25 years, Crowley Sullivan. According to legal documents obtained by Page 6 on Friday, Hoover submitted the documentation to Los Angeles Superior Court on March 26. She attributed their separation to irreconcilable differences and specified May 1, 2024 as the official date of separation. The host, 54, is also requesting joint legal and physical custody of their son, Crowley Jr., 18, who is classified as a minor in the filing. With the CEO of Athlete Advantage, Hoover shares daughters Campbell, 22, and Hayes, 21, in addition to their son. Additionally, she specifies in the filing that she is requesting spousal support in accordance with the agreement of the two parties. Page 6 inquiry for comment was not promptly addressed by a representative of Hoover. Hoover and Sullivan's separation occurred in December 2024, as we have previously disclosed. A source previously informed Us Weekly that Hoover had pronounced herself single for an extended period prior to their separation, although the couple has not publicly addressed their separation. She has been informing individuals that she is divorced and single, the insider asserted. Additionally, Hoover was observed in photographs and recordings prior to their separation without her wedding ring. In 1999, the estranged couple exchanged vows. In August 2023, Hoover commemorated her 24th wedding anniversary with Sullivan on Instagram by posting a vintage photo of the couple. "Holy cow, we are 24 years old in this photograph, and we are now celebrating our 24th anniversary. Happy 24th anniversary, honey bun. Thank you for your affection for this eccentric and for our gorgeous family, which is my absolute priority. I have affection for you." At the time, she wrote, #StillHavingFan, #StillTheon, #Grateful, #Joyful Living.